Hello everyone, welcome back to another day in the 100 days graphic design challenge. Okay, so today we are going to be working on text effects. So very quickly, I'm just going to download the text effects we'll be using. I'll go to freepik.com. Okay, so I open this freepik.com. I'm just going to search for text effects, enter. Okay, so it has loaded up. This is what we have. This is where you can come and download a text effect and pick one. Okay, so I'm just going to pick one. You can always go here and you can click on free so that they can bring out the free version, and you can also go to file type and then click PSD so that you can be able to edit it in your Photoshop. Okay, so which one are we going to use today? um okay, so I'm just going to use this one. I'll click on it. Okay, I have something like this. I'm just going to click here. You can see the PSD file, you can see the JPEG, and you can also download the zip file. I'm just going to download the zip file so that we can see how to extract that. Okay, so as you can see, it's downloading now. This is it here. Okay, so after it's done downloading, I'm just going to click here, and then I have it here. I'm just going to click on this to show in folder. I can always go to my downloads, okay, and get it. So this is it. Next thing I will do is to right click. I'll right click on it and I'm going to click extract all. Okay, so I'm just going to click this show extracted files when complete, and I'm going to click extract. So this is it. It has extracted and it has opened the file. Okay, this is the file. Then the next thing I'm going to do is just to click on Photoshop on the PSD file here, this one. Okay, so I'll wait for that to open up. Okay, so now that it has loaded up, I'll just click on layers. Okay, so to have something like this, you can toggle around this to see what is inside. It's just like having a folder. Okay, so you can see all that this is made up of. So I'm just going to head over to the text. I'm going to double click on this. Okay, I'll double click. Okay, so I'm just going to double click on my text, and it's showing me this means that I don't have the text in my font. So I'm just going to click replace so it just take a different font from my system. Okay, so I'm just going to type design, and then I'm going to just select this. Then I'll head over to this place. I'm going to use this font. Okay, let me search for it. Okay, this is it. So I'm just going to use the black. Okay, so I have something like this. I'll just click here so that I'll look and be sure that this place is not cutting out. And I'm just going to click Ctrl S. As you can see, it's saving here. Now you can see updating smart objects. Okay, so I'll just wait for that. Okay, so it's done updating. I'm going to head back to this place. Okay, I'll head back to my original file. Okay, so this is what we have. As you can see, this is what we have. Okay, so with that, we have come to the end of today's text effect tutorial. Maybe by tomorrow we are going to do another one. Okay, before we head on to mockup. So please, thank you for watching to the end. Please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm just going to see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.